This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the Vortex. This is the V22. Let's get into it. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. We're going to keep holding. We're looking for the menu right in the middle, right there. So let go with both keys. And now very carefully, with only the volume up key, we're going to go to recovery mode. Volume up to recovery mode. Now, volume down for OK. All right, and we have to wait just a few more seconds, maybe 5, maybe 10 seconds. And it'll bring up the fallen Android no command screen. And depending on how much you've used your phone, how much data is on there, this process or this step right here might take a few seconds or it might take a minute. Oh, it just goes right to the Android recovery menu. There we go. Android recovery for the Vortex V22. So now with the volume keys, we're going to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset, press OK with power. And confirm here, scroll down 1, wipe all data user, this cannot be undone, and press yes, OK with power, factory data reset. And you'll be able to confirm down here that the data wipe is complete, and now it is safe to reboot your Vortex V22. Keep in mind that if you have turned your Vortex on and you've put on your Google or Gmail information, and then you've turned on like Find My Device or Find My Phone security on your V22, you will need your Google or Gmail login and password to log right back into the phone. So always write down your passwords and keep them stored in a safe place. All right, that is how you factory reset, hard reset the Vortex V22. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.